Hi, it's Ann Cleveland again, coach and Waldorf teacher with the Waldorf Connection. And today in video 3, I'm going to be talking about the 9-year change. Just a couple of points and kind of things that you can think about, whether your child is at the 9-year change or you're just teaching first grade. It's so important to have the big picture in mind. So even though you might be in second grade and your child is not quite there yet, you can kind of be thinking about what's coming. So the 9-year change is something you might have heard of or you may not have heard of, but it's really talking about a marker in the development of your child. And what it is really is this point when you get to see a little bit, people talk about sort of the teenager, but early on. And the thing to know, to give you some confidence, is that this is something that comes up for just a short amount of time, and then it passes. And then you get your child back again. And then this is sort of a precursor to what you might be seeing in the teen years. But it's really interesting because it gives you a little bit of practice. It gives you practice not only in how to deal with those sort of teenager tendencies that can come up, but it also gives you practice with yourself to see how you're responding and how you react to that. Because being a teacher, being a parent, you're always faced with your own inner process as well as what it is that you're sharing with your children. So the 9-year change is just to be aware of that it comes up around the age of 9. Of course, for every child it can be different. So you just want to keep your eye open for those things that feel more teenagery. So it could be, for every child it's different. It could be talking back. It could be really emotional. For some children, the 9-year change means a little bit of reverting back to young behavior. There's just lots of things to look for and things that can be disconcerting. But what I want to tell you is that this is a stage and it's something that happens. And if you know a little bit more about it and you can sort of spot it as it's starting to come up, you can also be assured that it will pass. And I'm hoping that just a few of these little pointers will give you some confidence and some understanding about the 9-year change, as it's approaching, and help you deal with it as it comes. So once again, joyous working, and I wish you well on your Waldorf journey.